Hello friends, welcome to the new Specs War video. In this video, we are going to compare 2025 Toyota Avanza and 2025 Toyota Innova. Both are MPVs from Toyota. So let's compare them to see which one is better to other. If we compare engine specifications of Toyota Avanza, then it comes with the engine of 1.5 liters 4 cylinders with the horsepower of 104 and the torque of 138 Newton meters. It comes with automatic transmission and features the front wheel drive system across all variants. On the other side, Toyota Innova has 2 liters 4 cylinders with the horsepower of 172 and the torque of 209 Newton meters. It comes with automatic transmission CVT and all the variants come with front wheel drive system. We can see that Toyota Innova has better engine than Toyota Avanza. So the point goes to 2025 Toyota Innova. If we talk about weight and capacities, then both these cars come with a seating capacity of 7 persons. The cargo volume of Toyota Avanza is 900 liters and Toyota Innova has 300 liters of cargo space. Toyota Avanza has curb weight of 1160 kg and Toyota Innova comes with a curb weight of 1750 kg. Toyota Avanza comes with the fuel tank capacity of 45 liters and Toyota Innova comes with the fuel tank capacity of 52 liters. Because of higher cargo volume and lighter weight, the point goes to Toyota Avanza. The fuel efficiency of Toyota Avanza is 11 km per liter, while Toyota Innova has fuel efficiency of 23 km per liter. Because of higher fuel efficiency, the point goes to 2025 Toyota Innova. If we talk about dimensions, the 2025 Toyota Avanza comes with the length of 4395 mm, width of 1730 mm and the height of 1700 mm. It has ground clearance of 195 mm with a wheelbase of 2750 mm. On the other side, Toyota Innova comes with the length of 4755 mm, width of 1845 mm and the height of 1785 mm. It has ground clearance of 185 mm with a wheelbase of 2850 mm. We can see that Toyota Innova is larger in size as compared to Toyota Avanza, so the point goes to 2025 Toyota Innova. Both the cars have almost same safety features like vehicle stability control, hill start assist, traction control, ISOFIX, child lock systems. Both of them come with 6 safety airbags. Because of same safety features, no any car will be given the point. The price of Toyota Avanza is $28,000 US, while Toyota Innova comes with the price of $23,303 US. We can see that Toyota Avanza earns 1 point and Toyota Innova earns 3 points. So the crown of this Specs War goes to 2025 Toyota Innova. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for this type of more car comparison videos. Thank you.